Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Binance account. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the application, and in here, go to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines. And by the way, if this is your first time installing Binance, it will just give you a prompt where it asks you to follow the instructions on how to verify your account. If you have skipped that prompt, well, just follow my steps right here. So tap on your profile. Now go ahead and tap on verifications right here. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, select your country and the document issuing country or region. Okay, so let's say from the Philippines right here, I could go ahead and use the document type ID card or even a driver's license, okay, or even passport or residence permit. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a driver's license right here just for this example. Then I'm going to hit on continue. Now what you would do next is just go ahead and upload photos if you have the photo of your license from your phone, or you can just go ahead and use your camera straight up right here to take pictures of your specific ID. Now, once you have uploaded your documents, in the next page, it will just ask you for your personal information. And by the way, some fields will be automatically typed when you upload your documents. So just go ahead and enter or write down from the fields that doesn't have any information. Okay, just like maybe your birthday, something like that. Okay. And just make sure, of course, that your ID is not expired. Okay? Make sure that it is valid and clear. So after that, the last page will just ask you to scan your face. Okay, so scan your face, follow simple prompts, and once that's done, Binance will review your documents. Okay, and the notification will be sent once the verification is complete. It could be via your email or the Binance app. All right, and there you have it. And once your account has been verified, under verifications right here, it will say verified. Okay, when you tap on it and then go ahead and scroll all the way down, you will have your personal information right here at the very bottom. Okay, and that is how you verify your Binance account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.